Hello everyone, in this module I will explain the command bar at the top here because it is the most important bar to use. Rhino is a command-based software, so this means that every action that you want to perform in Rhino are all done through a command. For example, if you want to create a box, you can command box box and a box is created based on that command. Box. If you want to do a move, you can command move and you can move the box like so. You can also do things like copy, and there's so many boxes that got created. All I'm trying to say is that every action has to be done through a command that you can type in. If you ask me how do you remember all these commands, it can be hard at first as a beginner, but the more you use Rhino, the more you familiarize yourself with all these commands and it will make things so much faster later on. At the bottom here, you will see all these icons. All these icons are related to a specific command in Rhino. All these icons here are organized under a specific theme. So for example, if there are things like transform, you'll find all this move, copy, rotate, scale, so on and so forth. If you ask me, do I use the icon or do I type in a command? My answer is I'll recommend typing a command as much as possible because there are three reasons why I would recommend not to use the icons. The first thing is that not all the icons here contains all the commands in Rhino. The second reason is it's hard to understand what the icon is representing. The third reason is it's hard to locate each icon in this panel here. So for example, if I want to find a specific icon that does a specific action, it is hard to find all this icon. So all I recommend is try to use the command bar as much as possible. Try your best to type in a command that relates to that command that you're trying to perform. For example, if let's say I want to scale this box, I can type in scale. It is quite straightforward and intuitive. Any questions you can let me know in the chat below. Thank you.